Okay, now I take this bearing and I'm trying to give him more cover like this with this. Okay, now I cut this and so like this, so we need to repair this. There's a knife. First the core of this wood.
Нету.
Okay, now I made the hole to the wood, so the hole is ready. And now when I cut the bearing, I'm going to make out some small balls. So let's do it together. Okay, here the bearing, and now I need one ball is away, and I need uh, give away some next balls with this and with hammer. So let's do it. So I need to give somewhere here and with hammer. It's really difficult to get out these balls. Okay, we have here with one ball, here without balls, and here with one balls too. And now we can make it like this. Okay, so like this, and it looks like this, so it's fine now. but we need some more fuse. Now it's fine. I'm sure that it will keep. I made a hole. I measured them exactly 2 centimeters from this side and 2 centimeters from this side, and I input this brush to this hole, and right now I'm going to cover the mistakes from the drill. Not the best, but it's little better. Okay. Super. Okay, so now I input here this, and it looks like this. Okay, now I am sticking this with this glue to be sure to be not going down. So like this, to keep the position. Okay, it still keep very nice. And I made this holder, and this holder is going like this. So like this. Final at the end.